What's up, everyone? Today we're investigating CT Pool, a crypto mining app that claims you can mine Bitcoin on your phone without using any device power, earning up to 20 million hash per second. That's a massive claim. But is CT Pool actually mining real cryptocurrency, or is it just another cloud mining scam? Let's get right into it. So CT Pool is available on both Google Play and the Apple App Store, and it markets itself as a cloud mining platform where you can mine Bitcoin without any hardware. They claim mining speeds of up to 20 million hash per second, a user-friendly interface, and promise no commissions and no fuss. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the reality. In legitimate cloud mining, companies own physical mining equipment in data centers, and you rent computer power from them. You pay up front, they mine on your behalf, and you supposedly get a share of the profits. But here's the critical problem. The cloud mining industry is flooded with scams. Let's look at some user reviews. One user who invested in a 3-month subscription said, "You are not going to be profitable." They turn off your mining without any notification, and so you have to keep opening the app to see if the mining is turned on. That's a huge red flag. Another consistent complaint: the free version mining speed is so slow it's essentially useless, and upgrading with real money is pushed as the only way to make real profit. This is a classic bait and switch tactic. Here's what you need to understand. Real cryptocurrency mining requires massive computational power and consumes enormous amounts of electricity. Professional Bitcoin miners use specialized ASIC hardware costing thousands of dollars, consuming megawatts of power, and operate in facilities with industrial cooling systems. The idea that your phone can mine Bitcoin or that some mysterious pool miners are doing it for you without you seeing the actual hardware or data center is highly suspicious. Mobile devices simply don't have the processing power for profitable crypto mining. Security experts and crypto fraud investigators warn about several red flags, and CT Pool hits multiple ones. First, unrealistic promises of returns with minimal effort or investment. Second, lack of transparency about actual mining operations, hardware locations, or proof of mining activity. Third, requiring upfront payment or subscriptions before you can withdraw earnings. Fourth, extremely high minimum withdrawal thresholds that users rarely reach. Based on user reports and the app's behavior, CT Pool appears to be what's called a fake mining app. These apps show you numbers going up on a screen, making it look like you're mining, but no actual cryptocurrency mining is happening. Some of these apps even admit in their terms of service that they're just games with no real mining functionality. The app makes money from you through subscription fees, ads you watch, your personal data they collect, and referral schemes when you recruit others. Meanwhile, you're working for numbers on a screen that you likely never convert to real money. The final verdict: CT Pool mining app doesn't seem like real cryptocurrency mining. At best, it's a glorified ad watching app with misleading promises. At worst, it's designed to extract money from people who don't understand how crypto mining actually works. If you want to earn cryptocurrency, look into legitimate methods: staking on verified platforms, earning through actual skills on crypto job boards, or simply buying and holding. Don't fall for mobile mining scams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.